Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite protein overnight oats. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our base of our overnight oats. So for that, we're going to begin by adding half a cup of rolled oats. This is two of my favorite brands, but of course you can always use your favorite. I'm going to pour them in my mason jar. I will leave the link in the description box. So after that, we're going to add 1 scoop of our protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Okay, so next we go with our infusions. I'm going to be adding some almonds, some coconut, and some chocolate chips. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of each. Now for me, this is already sweet enough, but if you want to add a little bit more sweetener, you can do that. You can add honey, maple syrup, just your favorite. So we mix it all together. And here you can add your fruits, but I like to add it before I eat them. But just like that, we're going to cover it and place it in our refrigerator. Now we're going to place them in our refrigerator and allow it to rest overnight, or at least 2 hours. And of course, depending on how many servings you're going to do, then it depends on how many you're going to make. Okay, so here I have my overnight oats that I made last night. So they are ready. Just going to remove the lid. And I like a little crunch on my overnight oats, so I like to add a little granola. Topping with some fresh strawberries and banana. Okay, and just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we can now get ready for the taste test. This recipe is so easy, you guys, and you know, it's perfect for if you're busy, you can just pull them out the next day and have your breakfast like that in a cup and just be on the go. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's so filling, it's so delicious. And you can always customize it, you know, in different flavors. But this one here is one of my favorite. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, having my super easy and delicious protein overnight oats. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.